no yem fancy ha ya da sepa no mre no sia na bo enti e braso na edwada na otwe foforo mu ni medofo sorry many hanche okra be bi also okobia no wakọ sa wonya hyenkani nko ade a over Facebook/Adom TV ya dem live ho na so wa join ne ho o ma hene kwabena sante ejina na so e wa ha den na ho fade ne different they say the birthday month mu a e no wenti be pa ya mu akọ abe
afia majo so pa afia papa bi
na bibia boko de
to bo asema me na ye oda minim je maye nya wona ba chem de me onyame adom ene onyame ahumobro asomeso ana aso so ntie de nyame ase pese me ka kire mu se enadwoada enrada 1st of April na em hokani 2nd of April fia man kwa esi kwasiada mo amantimi anfre ankasa fia Ebenezer baby Awurade di wa beduni na odo ko asase ye papa so chen de oti misremu enipa nam wo yi ede enso yenwe media minim epono ameto amandada meto pono na tamfo anim ama ne kuru wanso aye maabuso ijo de na niwa we anopa we ene ne nkwa na nyina ana ode behwe osmosis market ya ti misremu ye beto birthday song so eno achi kura so beko Adom page wa ni pictures na minim za ma hey enye easy ye mema ye be photo shoot video yo de ga ko ide wa je bi ati mesremo mo wehye no mo ni wa wosi asom mo na wasom Ghana na wasom yen mu bi nso oyo ba me kase me di ne ho adanse a adaje pa na bebo enemum afia man kwanso kan nipa kuma bi obetima kase otene so a na wasori enya agro oyo ba mua nti anopai se me kasa ese awene pan kasa so du bebe no wan kasa yi utini yi neti boni ti mi di afia man kwa ho adanse na madanyame ase se odi oba bi se bedom eye multimedia ene ne kunu ene Ghana ene crew free so ene awofo papa bi omoti ase na ni nuanum nyina na pay yan kan hira sesem nto no so efri se enye nipa nyina na enya ne sei na ho brase no kwedi na dwuma ofani ni agro edo o ma nipa oni nipa ntem se de esitie se me kaze media dance baby am ne ye kakra ne ompe bohye debi odo ni bias bi ono adi ze kwabna minimo da de na de em se enkoyi to de me ha ba ya men hye me bo wa timisramo I'm so much in love with Afia Montiase or ye nipa ankasa. Afia man kwata makro. Nti second no no adana na wo de see entwa mu media me ye den is a responsibility to me ye. Na wo so hwe na otie no enko hia dwumadi ode bro watimi aboa ma abusua bebre ani aban wo so ya pomuden wo nsem. Wo ankasa so hwe apomuden ho yie. Wa mo ateni o ma bebre ase. Wo he dwumadi ode obedwam so a sai de obesi asire kura no wa ebi be kan yes the say any infectious or sire manika nipa ana wo nipa ho adaje I'm telling you or chen caregiver or say care whatever say fia ka say ojibre ene wakwa obi asem ye na asem ne kwa na won how na wo no hu de eno na ono beji aboso no aboye mfita so de abonti so asem na we say ebesi baabi a ebekọ bọkọ nti mommy celebrating no nti misrewa ni mfonyin de mia no me yi bebre ato eye TV so amamo na motimi age bre na moso modi na toto baby eno nkoda nche ofre no na aska me show nkran na kasa nko anante kasa tinti o entopo nko kasa nko ye nante debi two friend no appoint o call Lakeside Estate no 2 bedroom there on fia juma power de sumye bibi kona o Peninsula no say ko sumu ko relax be 1 week no apeja o say o ko dambae chiwa na mane hu say mo sumu ka ho na no so abedu sam pempenso na afi mo su no amo no mo ye mema te say yen no so what is there no osmosis mo type no mo de na mo ye so de say be she butom ibi bam ya ka te say onya on say media dey want so simple but ka say media me dey arope me sumo je na kwa me su aha efe nyame show nyame show pa you are indeed a wonderful human being efe man kwa de o wa chire kwa be hu ye obi wa o yi papa o wa chire wo hu ba o wa chire kwa wo hu affect wo kwan bi so. You know,
it does.
Just a call to say, if you are fearfully and wonderfully made. So I'm so proud of you. The Badwam team is proud of you. I hope and believe the multimedia is proud of you. Ghana is proud of you. God, so we are proud of you. Your husband, your kids, and we are proud of you. Thank you so much. God bless
you. Me dofo ba ko wo Chicago Uncle Tony on the family nya me shaba pay pa ma me nim ne ba bia but yo ye ne ya ne bro ma dwen so bi onim ni bia o Chicago ye Uncle Tony dia me nim no nya me shaw nya me okesi obia nya me shamo former first lady Lordina Mahama nya me shaw mu na me di je me ho say ko for Fred ana to ata me da se na nya me shaw Metro, me boss said die.
As well.
Your boss said die. To our son Bobby Arrow. Ya minti on come home me to be
all right, so yes, Esther, who say na me say Esther, no pay oba na say who near fear na share. No say o man waka on kan am say o na bia Esther and Hadasa no say dey na dey to beat me. Esther. Esther, also happy birthday. Your makeup, one of our finest makeup girls, also did out there and rather. So let's show love. Love comes in so many forms. You know, ukasa chenipa, ushenipa nkrai, udisiketa to, umana kojuju no baby, uchene japadibi. It's important. You know, it's very, very important.
Esther, ukokeji, also, enwa, birthday. Tiao, yamisha, yo kesiye. Uma me bedin birthday, and the happy 50th birthday. Enko Emma Mrs. Lucy eje we posini wo achimota we fini position me kai ma saba be kanti happy 50th birthday Mrs. Lucy eje and afi my husband Penny so Pascal Jokoto ono se na birthday to bia na odu birthday bia nya mi hwehwe mu nyina ya cameraman so ne mother and the birthday wa mu ni na hwehwe me or they say Christiana
Auntie Christy
ai Auntie Christy maybe I will ba camera udine na minim.
Auntie Christy.
Happy birthday.
Okay, so on Monday, 3rd of April, 2023, welcome to the ultimate TV breakfast show, Badwam on Adom TV, multi-TVs. The free cyber copy say non kunobo. Me just say fiaman kwa catch on that. Ye nyina ya said yes here, you my Ghana o. E man ko dum pempenso a ese etimi edu. Ma menka o say a Christopher Bosumia so the say room. Na o tru so the say room ti weekend akwantu shall say Palm Sunday and no other fiaman kwa birthday. Wa when ya ben kwan wo fi kra de na say wo no wo fi amamre kakra nya we nti anope kra na nyumiro betim ya ka aduane ho aben kwan it's very very I don't know the award come na be e kama and some of the to the bokatem the brema ho kwan but the rundown is that agokansi ahosepe and afin interviews outdoor on pensimuna asemedika ya de bebro. The Chronicle say Parliament shoots down EC's proposal and the Semedika catch one say Anna the youth of Divine Healers Church pray for out of court settlement. Collins Dauda goes unopposed and your wisdom pot back or a year half. We are so proud of him. I was saying kunim baby I do know I do no kaso see from Onerico Poku Makaka. And court orders Yawa to pay 2.6 million damages to VAC. Big one. Minority failed to scoop IMF deal. All three revenue bills passed. And what's some I want to say? The Daily Graphic say Parliament passes 3 revenue bills. And after BPA Bui Sugar Limited set up 1D 1F sugar factory. Free SHS policy must focus on skills development. Professor Suman Anaka say big one. Jane Mensa EC chairperson in add guarantor system. MPs against sole use of Ghana card for voter registration. Political analysts, smaller parties agree. And then the Ghanaian Times also the about gangsters attack police. Seize magazine, mobile phones 4 grabbed. Our prioritized party needs. Era Dofo Anaka say Unimira Dofo say Onira John Dramani Mama, the former president, and after Yera Kojobo Sune Prese, on by Franca to former NDC Amanyo Kono. Speaker declares Kumau seat vacant. Baby, I'm free. Kumau Adeshe, Ye Yemra Shebejani, Wato, and Nady Abaya official. Kasamafo a awo emrahye bedwam say Kumawu seat na dampan nti eno so by elections so ebekoso 3 newly passed tax bills to rake in 4 billion Ghana cedi annually. And if you man come catch say di pantosa ranka ba bi ufuru hwe bra kaya na ya party na odi hunku na ze hero pai na kwa to aso but amafo ntias yesa enti eno so wasemo ye daily guide beko ansa na ban sema wodozo. MPP decides on presidential race. Health Service revokes or Cobbins award. Oh, Adom. Axim Corps, so if you're caught in Galamsey drama, and NLA staff busted over fraud. Samuel Kufu, I will pay constituency workers under my leadership. Here I do for Susukasa. Susukasa. More what's are they doing? Ideas. Adomonline.com. ECG owes WIPA authority $612 million. Say almost obisu di omoka. Say make say e kana ye nkofo de wo almost abede. We forecast $612 million. Yes. And make e ka wo no mo tu ana mo say omo tata ni pa jeji kakraka no na no na me ti omo kasama for no o so ntimi nkes kan dey by millions of cedis according to yes we be ntutua no ho aka mu ntutua na bibia enkoso. Okay, no any police officers beg illegal miners over bribe. This is strange, but serious. So if the NDC is in power, that top headline we have, now MPP or power, now headline we have, it keeps coming. It means that we are sick. There's a problem. We are sick. Almost unfortunately, the Nippon be almost asa. Nanka police there. Why should you be part of an illegality? That's the problem. Yeah, it was former KNUSTSRC president. Others acquitted of misappropriation allegations. And what's I like color black because I am a witch. If you no, but black is a color. Make I disagree. We should and have a Graham Potter sacked by Chelsea. Oh, so with the ball for no. Maybe I with the Wallace professor. But we are not sacking. Now, what do you put him there? We will say breaking news. Yeah, the best if you are so sorry. Oh, the Becca say the Munina say, Papa, because so many Fidian on the Hagana month and so your sponsors. Yadamwase pa na osanka meji wo munyina din Ronnie Brew and a wampo for them refill mudin. Yadamwase bebre obi o sponsor ye bia yadamwase bre sem ebo munyina mudin baako nyame hyramo papa ti yakwe de agudie aha asemidika ono bo akwasinsie gina na so asemidika ono ma hene de to aso na nenso da bi mejinem ujinem ti yakwa ba kasi e ka o ma